Apple's Mac Mini is poised for a groundbreaking transformation, heralding a new era in desktop computing. The forthcoming redesign, slated for a fall 2024 release, will radically reimagine the Mac Mini's form factor, shrinking its footprint while amplifying its performance capabilities. This bold reimagining will marry a sleek, space-saving design with the unbridled power of Apple's latest M4 series chips. By condensing the Mac Mini's dimensions, Apple will cater to users craving a more streamlined workspace, perfect for clutter-free productivity. Meanwhile, the M4 series chips will inject a potent dose of processing prowess, catapulting the Mac Mini to unprecedented heights of performance. This harmonious union of form and function promises to redefine the desktop experience, making the Mac Mini an irresistible choice for those seeking a powerful, compact, and affordable computing solution. Smaller and more powerful, the redesigned Mac Mini's diminutive size belies its towering performance capabilities, making it an ideal solution for users constrained by limited desk space. Measuring significantly smaller than its predecessor, this unobtrusive powerhouse will seamlessly integrate into even the most cluttered workspaces, freeing up valuable real estate for creativity and productivity. Despite its reduced footprint, the Mac Mini packs a formidable punch, effortlessly outperforming its predecessor in every metric. Apple's masterful engineering has distilled the essence of high-performance computing into a remarkably compact package, defying expectations and redefining the boundaries of desktop processing. This potent convergence of size and strength makes the Mac Mini an irresistible choice for those seeking a discrete yet dominant computing presence. M4 series chips, a leap forward. The M4 series chips represent a seismic shift in processing power and efficiency, eclipsing the impressive capabilities of the current M2 and M2 Pro chips. This revolutionary upgrade will catapult the Mac Mini to unprecedented heights of performance, delivering faster processing, accelerated execution of tasks and applications, improved multitasking, seamless handling of multiple tasks and applications, enhanced overall performance, elevated system responsiveness and fluidity. The M4 series chips' cutting-edge architecture and optimized design will unlock new levels of productivity, creativity, and innovation. By harnessing the latest advancements in silicon technology, Apple has created a powerhouse processor that redefines the boundaries of desktop computing. The M4 series chips will empower users to tackle demanding tasks, push creative boundaries, and achieve more than ever before. Affordable excellence. With a starting price of around $700, the redesigned Mac Mini will be an attractive option for those seeking a high-quality desktop experience without breaking the bank. Circle the fall of 2024 on your calendar as Apple is poised to unleash a groundbreaking transformation in the desktop computing world. Eagerly anticipated new Mac Mini is set to shatter expectations, converging unprecedented power, remarkable compactness, and unparalleled affordability in a single, awe-inspiring device. As the launch date approaches, stay attuned for tantalizing updates and sneak peeks into the Mac Mini's revolutionary capabilities. Prepare to experience a seismic shift in desktop computing, where boundaries are pushed and new possibilities unfold. Perfect storm of innovation, design, and value is coming, and those who are ready will reap the rewards of a computing experience like no other. Get ready to witness the future of desktop computing, arriving in fall 2024.